Now that you've signed up and downloaded the app, you're ready to run your first assessment. Log into the Connected Mind app and click on Start Kiosk. Hand the tablet to your patient. When the patient gets the tablet, they are asked to select their language. Next, the patient is asked to enter their demographic information. The Fast Check screening is launched and the patient will answer all questions until they are asked to return the device. The tablet resets to the language selection screen and is ready to hand to your next patient. The results are instantly available on the portal and may be downloaded or printed. If you have the interface option, please see our video about setting up the EHR interface. With Connected Mind, know your patient, know the big picture, and know your plan. For more helpful videos in our channel, please see the description box below.